Hello everyone, welcome back to the lecture session. Today we are going to solve the workbook. See, in chapter number 7, our first question is write the appropriate serial number for the activity in the table given below. Here we will find out one table having different column. First column is number of the activity taking seconds. Here we have to write down those serial numbers of the activity which takes only seconds. Number 2, number of activity taking minutes. Here we will list out all these numbers which having the activity take just minutes. Number of activity taking hours. Here we will write down the serial number of those activity which are taking hours to complete. Okay, next is number of activity taking days. Here we will write down those serial number, those who are taking days to complete that activity. It takes too many days, right? नेक्स्ट इज नंबर ऑफ द एक्टिविटीज टेकिंग मंथ्स. जो एक्टिविटी महीनों तक चलती है या महीने लेती है वो सारी एक्टिविटी यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे. सो this part would be done by yourself because it will help you to explore your thoughts, right? For example, to boil a milk, तो विद इन अ मिनट्स वो हो जाएगा, राइट? तो यहाँ पे हम 27 लिख सकते हैं. टू मेक अ कर्ड, तो यहाँ पे आपको आवर्स लग जाते हैं. सो राइट डाउन 28 ओवर हियर. सी आई एम टेकिंग द रैंडम एक्टिविटी बट यू हैव टू गो थ्रू फ्रॉम नंबर 1 और जहाँ पे लिस्ट होता है वहाँ पे करते जा. टू कोम्ब योर हेयर, तो विद इन अ सेकेंड यू कैन कोम्ब योर हेयर, राइट? Then to learn walking by child, right? So it takes months. So this is the way you will write down all the activities, list out all the activity. Now look at the next page, page number 117, where you will find out the question number 2. Write the answer to the question on the basis of the birth certificate given below. This is the birth certificate. Based on that, you will write down the question answer. Okay. So, Ritesh birth date is on 3rd July 2009. Right. So, month is 7. 7 means July. And birth year is 2009. Ritesh father's name is Suresh Kumar Prajapati. See, यहाँ पे लिखा है name of father. And mother's name is Hetal bin Prajapati and birthplace is Ahmedabad. See, everything is written over here. So we have to just take a look from the take a look of the information which are given in the certificate. How many months old will Ritesh be on 13 December 2009? Okay, तो यहाँ पे birth है 7th month means July. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 5 months old. How many years old will Ritesh be on 3rd July 2015? देखो यहाँ पर हम क्या करेंगे, actually 2009 is the birth year of Ritesh, right? From the 2009 we'll subtract the 2015 because the date and the month both are the same. So we are going to just subtract the birth year, right? So the answer would be 6 years. He will be 6 years on this day. How many years old will Ritesh be on 3rd July 2054? तो definitely 2054 में जो 2009 minus करो and you will get the answer and he will be 45 years old. On which day will Ritesh be on 10 years old? तो 10 years old कब होगा? तो definitely हम क्या करेंगे इसमें, you are going to add plus 10 into the birth year. So that would be 2019. 3/7/2019 को वो 10 साल का हो जाएगा. How many years old is Ritesh now? Right now is 2020, right? And from that we are going to subtract the 2009. So we will get the answer 11. So he is right now 11 year. We are considering the current year. Current year is a 2020. Now turn your page 180. Again, there are some question answer. Find on what date will Ritesh will be on 15 years. So definitely birth years में हम 15 plus करेंगे. So he will be 15 years on the date of 3rd July 2024. After how many days of Ritesh birth was the certificate issued? 15 days. तो यहाँ पे issue date होगा. You will find out from there and write down the duration. Which is the date of the registration? The date of the registration is this. And what is the registration number of the certificate? Here is the registration number of the certificate and date of the registration, right? Both of the things has been given in your certificate. Now next, number 3, details of the member of a family and their present age are given below. On its basis, write the answer to the question. Okay, इसके बेस पे क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखना है. So what will you do? First of all, we'll observe the table, right? Members of the family is Manisha, her mother, her father and her grandmother, and present age यहाँ पे years में दिखाई गई है. ठीक है. So now we'll do the comparison and of the age and based on the table there are some question answer. So let's solve this. How many years older is the grandmother than Manisha's mother? Now we are going to compare the age of the mother and the grandmother. तो कितनी old है? क्या बोला है? How many years older? See, we are comparing the two people. So हम क्या करेंगे? जो भी grandmother की age है उसमें से मदर की एज को माइनस कर देते हैं. एंड वी आर गेटिंग द डिफरेंट. how many years older she is. So she is 37 years older. See, subtraction part would be done by you, completely done by you, because we had done a lot of subtractions and addition in the previous chapters. So number 2, how many years younger is the Manisha than her father? younger मतलब छोटा and older मतलब बड़ा एज में. ठीक है. तो Manisha is definitely younger than her father. So what will you do? Again you will do the subtraction. 39 minus 8, so 31 years. She is 31 years younger than her father. Number 3, what was her mother's age at the time of the Manisha's birth? मनीषा का बर्थ हुआ तब उसकी मम्मा की एज क्या थी? तो क्या करेंगे, उसकी मम्मा की जो करंट एज है उसमें से मनीषा की एज को माइनस कर देंगे. सो शी वाज 27 years old. And what was her grandmother's age? So definitely from the current age we will subtract the Manisha's age and we will get the age of her grandmother when the Manisha born. What will be the age of Manisha after 4 years? So 8 plus 4 is 12. So after 4 years she will be 12 years old. And what will be the age of her mother? So यहाँ पे भी हम 4 add कर देते हैं. So it would be 39 years. And what will be the age of her grandmother? So 72 plus 4 is 76 years. So this way we will find out the age. Now look at the question number 4. Write the answer to the question on the basis of the calendar of 2019. This is the calendar of 2019 where we will find out the January to December month. Total there are 12 months in a calendar in a year. Based on that there are some question answer. Number 1, how many months does a year have? So definitely it would be 12. Which is the 7th month of the year? मंथ का 7th ईयर का 7th नंबर का मंथ कौन सा है? दैट वुड बी जुलाई. एंड विच मंथ कम्स बिफोर अक्टूबर? तो यहाँ पर देखो अक्टूबर से पहले कौन सा वाला मंथ आता है? सितंबर. सो विच मंथ कम्स आफ्टर अप्रैल? Here is April. Which month comes after April? May. See, we had already learned about the 12 months in the previous standard. So अभी हमें ये याद होना ही चाहिए. नहीं है then you have to learn it. Name the month having 30 days. तो जहाँ जहाँ पे 30 days है वो months के नाम लिखने हैं हमने. So here March, देन अप्रैल. देखो यहाँ पे कैलेंडर पे से ही फाइंड आउट करना है. जून से सितंबर एंड नवंबर. ओके. So these are the months having 30 days and name the months having 31 days. तो बाकी के जितने months हैं इसके अलावा वो सारे 31 days में आते हैं. So this is the way, one shortcut. Number 7, number of day of which month is different from other month. So definitely that month is a February. This month has either 28 days or 29 days. If there is a leap year during that time, the February month has 29 days. Okay, 2020 is a leap year, and in this month February month has a 29 days. So check it out, the calendar of 2020, so you will get an idea how many days are there in a week. In a week we are having 7 days. In which month did you come to class 3? So definitely we are entering in the June month. Your birthday falls on which month? So mine is in August, right? Write down your month, birth month. Next, write the date of the festival in the given below. See, this would be done by yourself. ये आप खुद करोगे, because मैंने एक बार टेक्स्ट बुक में आपको करके दिखाया था कैसे करना है, कैसे लिखना है, right? So this would be done by yourself. Now number 12, in calendar put circle around the dates given and write the day and special day falling on that date. तो यहाँ से आपको डेट फाइंड आउट करनी. आई हैड शो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इन अ टेक्स्ट बुक में मैंने आपको दिखाया था ये चीज़ कैसे करनी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 8 मई, तो वेयर इज़ द 8? यस, इट फॉल्स ऑन वेडनेसडे, तो यहाँ पे मैंने लिख दिया वेडनेसडे. 30 मार्च, here is a March 30, yes, it falls on Saturday. So write down there Saturday. So this way you will write down the day of the given dates. And यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ अपनी हिसाब से मोबाइल पे से देख के मैंने सारे स्पेशल डेज लिखे हैं. रेस्ट ऑफ द डेज would be written by yourself. Just find out. Next, number 13, write the special day festival in front of the dates given below. 2nd October is Gandhi Jayanti, 15th September Teachers Day, 14th January is Uttarayan, as a Christmas, Republic Day, Eid है, Independence Day है, 11th July World Population Day, ऐसा कुछ है. Now जो भी है, जितने भी फेस्टिवल्स आए हैं यहाँ पे इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, 12, 13, तो उसको आपको सीक्वेंस में अरेंज करना है. एंड दिस वुड बी डन बाय योरसेल्फ, बिकॉज आई हैड शो यू हाउ टू डू दिस थिंग इन अ previous video. ठीक है, so this would be done by yourself. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate years given below. तो यहाँ पे आपको appropriate year लिखना है. In which year you will be in class 3? class 2 में आप कौन से year में थे? The answer is 2019 and 2020, right? दोनों आधा आधा years था आपका. Which year is the present year? Present year is 2020. Next, which will be the next year? Next year will be 2021. Which year was at 3 years back? तो 2017, 2020 minus 3 करेंगे तो we'll get the answer. Which year will come after 3 years? 3 years के बाद कौन सा year आएगा? 2020 plus 3 is 2023. Which year will come after 5 years? So after 5 years में क्या करेंगे? जो whatever the current year in which you are going to add plus 5. So you will get the answer 2025. In which year will be in class 7? तो यहाँ पे मैंने एक year mention किया है. You will check yourself. Which one is the leap year? 2020 is a leap year. Now, next is question number 5. Do the magical calculation from the months of the calendar as per the example. यहाँ पे देखो ये magical calculation है, which is quite easy. Look at here. Here we are taking one square from the calendar of November 2018, and here we are getting we are doing the addition in such a way that the 9 would be at the center, right? So this kind of we are getting 4 combination, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and after doing addition of all these numbers, right, we are getting the similar answer, which is 27. Same way, you are taking any square from the any dates, right? Like this, like a square, any square. यहाँ पे एक square लिया, यहाँ पे हमने दूसरा square लिया. While you are doing this, you will get the similar addition like this. 5 plus 13 plus 21. So कितना हुआ? 20 plus 1 30. 30 plus 5 35. 35 36 37 38 and 39. यहाँ पे 39 हुआ. Now let's check it out over here. 20 plus 10 30. 30 plus 6 36 plus 3 39. सी हो गया. तो हर एक लाइन का एडिशन हो जाएगा 39. दैट्स द मैजिकल calculation. The another one is the addition of all the number of vertical column is 75. For that you need a 5 combination of 5 dates, right? तो यहाँ पे ये पूरा एडिशन है वो 75 होगा, ये पूरे रो कॉलम का एडिशन. But the magic thing is this: while you are multiply the center number by 5, you will get the answer 75. ये पूरे रो का एडिशन भी 75 होता है. This would be apply with any of the row which are having the 5 numbers. For example, here is the middle number is 16. So 16 5 is 80. After doing the addition of all these numbers, you are getting the answer 80. So this is the magical calculation. You can also apply this calculation on this month, but by yourself. Now turn your page number 122, where you will find out write the time in the given below. See, we had already learned about the clock in the previous standard. So here we are going to solve this. Here the smaller hand, the small hand is called the hour hand, and the long hand is called the minute hand. So wherever the hour hand pointed, it shows the hour, and the minute hand pointed at any number, it shows the minute. Now how to calculate the minutes? Any number at which the minute hand is point, you will do the multiply that number by 5. Then you will get the minute. For example, the minute hand pointed at 4, the 4 5s are 20. If it is pointed at 5, the 5 5s are 25. See, 25 is there. 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. 10 5s are 50. 11 5s are 55. 12 5s are 60. 1 5s are 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. So this is the way you will just do the multiply by 5. That's it. Okay, here once the hour hand is between the any of the two number, हमेशा hour hand एक ही hand पे टिकता नहीं है. क्यों नहीं टिकता है? Because ये जो minute hand है always moving होता है. So whenever it moves, the hour hand also moves from one number to the next number little bit, right? ये the hour hand takes 1 hour to complete. Takes 1 hour to go from one number to the next number, while the minute hand takes 1 hour to complete one round. So basically we can say that the hour hand takes 12 hours to complete 1 hour, whereas the minute hand takes 12 rounds in 12 hours. Okay. So while the hour hand is between 6 and 5, we will consider the number 5. So 5, 2 5s are 10. Here is 1. See, जो भी दोनों के बीच में है तो प्रीवियस वाले नंबर को ही आवर्स में कंसिडर करेंगे. 1 3 5s are 50. 7 6 के बिटवीन है तो 6. 5 5s are 25. 8 4 2s are 4 5s are 20. 8 20. Then 12 5. 2 2, no, it's 1. Not 1, yes, not 2, it's 1. 1 50. 10 5s are 50. एग्जाम में आपको ऐसे मिनट्स लिखे हुए नहीं मिलेंगे, सो यू हैव टू काउंट योर सेल्फ, सो प्रैक्टिस लाइक दैट. नेक्स्ट इज 4 8 5s are 40. 11 55, right? So this is the way you will show write down the time from the clock. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, ड्रॉ द हैंड्स ऑन द क्लॉक टू शो द टाइम गिवन बिलो. यहाँ पे आपको हैंड्स ड्रॉ करने हैं. 10 10, तो दैट वुड बी द अवर हैंड एग्जैक्टली पॉइंटेड ऑन 10 and the minute hand pointed at 2, so it becomes 10 10. 5 20, the other hand pointed at 5. ये इतना आगे पीछे नहीं होगा बिकॉज 20 पे ही है. व्हेन इट कम्स टू मोर देन 20 तो ये 5 और 6 के बीच में कहीं हो सकता है. ठीक है, सो 5 20 6 15, राइट. तो यहाँ पे होगा द अवर हैंड पॉइंटेड एट 6 एंड द मिनट हैंड पॉइंटेड एट 3 बिकॉज 3 5 आर 15. आपको मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 ही करना है तो आप समझ आ जाएगा कहाँ पे मिनट्स हैं. 12 35. See, the other hand is exactly not on 12 but in between 1 and 12 somewhere, and 35 means exactly on 7. 7 5s are 35. Next is 6:30, right? The hour hand and the minute hand pointed at 6 both. Next is 10 5. So hour hand pointed at 10 and the minute hand pointed at 1. एग्जैक्ट 10 पे होगा बिकॉज देर आर ओनली 5 मिनट्स. इसका मतलब ये होता है 10:05 हो गए, 6:30 हो गए. आफ्टर 3 o'clock देर विल बी 45 मिनट्स. आफ्टर 12 o'clock देर वुड बी 35 मिनट्स. तो 12 बजने के बाद 35 मिनट्स हो गए. ऐसे उसका इंटरप्रिटेशन जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज 12:15. It is not exactly on 1 or 12. It is somewhere nearby 1. Nearby मतलब पास में ही होगा 1 के एकदम. And the 50, 10 5s are 50. The minute hand pointed at 10. Next is 4:40. So it is between 4 and 5. एकदम 5 पे भी नहीं होगा, एकदम 4 पे भी नहीं होगा. And the minute hand pointed at 8 because 8 5s are 50. 7:55 again. ये एग्जैक्ट 8 पे भी नहीं है और एग्जैक्ट 7 पे तो बिल्कुल नहीं है बिकॉज देर आर 55 मिनट्स. सो इट इज 7 11 5s are 55. 8:25 8:25, right? Now next, here from the given clock you have to write down the time. Detail of the daily routine of Bubbly are given below and write the time as shown in the clock. यहाँ पे 6 o'clock है तो gets up in the morning at 6 o'clock. You can write down this way. Take bath and gets dressed up at 7 o'clock. 7 बजे तक वो ready हो जाती है. Turn your page. Then 7. See, it is between 8 and 7. So you are considered 7. 7 6 5s are 30. 7:30 को breakfast करती है. 8 o'clock goes to school. See, we had learned about the time in the previous standard as well, तो आपको ये आना ही चाहिए. Studied in the school at 11 o'clock. Then 12 o'clock take lunch with her friends in the school. Come back from the school at 2 o'clock. Play with friends at 5 o'clock. See, 5 and 12. Minute hand pointed at 12 and the other hand pointed at 5. That means it's 5 o'clock. At 7 o'clock she watches TV, and dinner, she will take dinner at 8 o'clock. Does homework, she does her homework at 8:30 and goes to sleep at 9 o'clock. Okay, so I had show you each and everything in detail. Now you will write down your own time in the box and show that time on the clock. This would be done by yourself in the homework. Draw the hands on the clock to show time of your daily routine and write the time in the box given below. तो यहाँ पे आपको अपना रूटीन का टाइम लिखना है and that time would be shown on this clock. Okay, so this is it for the session. Next time we will do some more things. Till that, stay at your home, stay safe, stay healthy, keep enjoy learning from the lecture session. Goodbye.